Okay.
Hi, Nate.
Let's eat. Whoa.
Don't put a lot in there.
You like it?
So I shouldn't put a lot.
Hey, I want more.
Okay. How does that taste, Nate? He's not even eating it.
Should face him a little closer towards me.
You can't go any closer to you. Okay, try this one.
It's too much. Just put very little in his mouth so he doesn't spit it out.
You're not supposed to eat your hands right now. You're supposed to eat food.
Look, Nate's eating. With a spoon, Ben.
Watch him.
Wow. I can't see. Can I see?
That's the first time he ever ate. Doesn't really know how. Do you like it? You can't see him? There he is.
Now I can see him.
Looks like he wants to eat his hands more than his food. Let's have more. Mmm. 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 What do you think? Is that a little carrot?
With me.
He's doing pretty good. Right?
You're just pouring it in there.
Well, he doesn't know.
One more.
Okay.
Daddy?
One more spoonful for Nate.
Can I have
Whoa, 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 I have more in the pot for you. Look at that. Nate did so good with that last one. Looks like he wants it.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Okay, Nate's first meal.